It's not a Type R. Yes, because it looks like a Type R. And just got the rear spoiler installed. Look at it. Looks very nice. Very nice. Let's see. Oh yeah. Look at the profile. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to part 2 out of 2. The installation of a aftermarket spoiler on my Honda Civic Sport, and it's a 2021. So this car will be a year old on the 1st of January 2022. That's a little bit of more information for you guys. Well, this video, that's footage from a previous video where I showed you how I received the spoiler, and then I had to put it together to test fit it. So you can go to my channel and go to playlist, and you'll see the Honda Civic Sport, and that's where you can see all the other videos I made for this car, and also all other videos. Yes, there is a playlist for all my videos. So basically, here, like I said, I was putting it together, so I have to make sure that it was a perfect fit on the vehicle before I could get it painted. And also, I thought I was going to be the one installing it. The reason is because I had called many other places, and they told me that they don't paint nor they install spoilers. So I guess I only call the ones I know, the major brand. But I know in my if I were to venture out, there are small independent paint shops that could do it for me. But at the same time, I was very leery of having somebody I have no idea who they are do this on a brand new car, because I didn't know exactly what kind of work they were going to give me. So again, I was doing the installation here to see if it's a perfect fit, because if it's painted and then turns out that it's too short or too long or too big, then I won't be able to return it. Yeah, so look at that. It looks great. Now I didn't tie all the bolts hard enough, because I know it was just a tryout, and there was no point to do that. And then later I will take it out to the car and do the measurement.
It's more down.
Yeah, a little bit more.
Yeah, like that.
Well, it looks like a perfect fit to me. Perfect fit. It looks great.
Here.
So it came with the templates left and right. Okay, and then the hardware, only nut and bolt, and plus it comes with this little sticky thing here. I guess that's for the meeting surface where the spoiler meets the hatch. Well, you see, that's Mako. I called many other body shops to get a quote, and they told me they don't do this. Okay, and there was a one place that gave me a quote for $933 and to paint and install this little spoiler. So what I did finally, it crossed my mind that hey, there is Mako. So I called Mako,
It's
and so
more
the
down.
guy over the phone they gave me a
Yeah,
quote
like
of
that.
$300 to paint it, and then he told me they don't install it. So I've done a lot of research to find out how I was going to install it myself, and it came to the conclusion that I was going to install it. So I took it to Mako, and the guy
Okay.
said, "Okay, yeah, we'll paint it for you." And he said, "Oh, do you want us to install it?" And I said, "Oh, really? Yes, yes, yes. You can install it." And so, yeah, they gave me a quote of $593 to paint and install it. And I agree for them to install it because they've done this. They do this for a living. Hello, my friends. This is several days later. I got the car back from Mako, and it looks like they did a superb job putting the Type R aftermarket spoiler. So I had them painted, and the wing, okay, it's black, and but the sides, okay, they have the color of the vehicle. And so they also did some good stuff for me. As you can see down here, they put the a liner. That's to keep this from sitting directly onto the hatch, the car. Okay, the part here. So see the little black thing? It's a foam, but it's sticky. Okay, and then same thing up here. They do it. Okay, so and I've been driving it. The only thing I notice is like all of them I see on the internet, they've the rubble vibrates a little bit. It's not really shaking, but the main reason is because this one here is very light, very light. So and then you see it's almost the same height. Look how it is. You see? So the wind, see, it gets all. This is the top of the vehicle, and then you go down, and the wind, just all of the wind put coming from the front of the vehicle hit this thing, and then it vibrates. But it does it pretty much at high speed, and then when it's really windy. So I will show you the vibration when we are driving it later. 60 miles an hour. Is it shaking?
Yes.
All right. Thanks for watching. And please share this video with your friends and watch it about 1,000,000 times. I don't know what else I will do to this vehicle. I mean, what other modification, but again, we don't know until an idea pop up in our head. Thanks for watching again.